Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how camera pro mode works on the OPPO Find X2 Lite. So all you have to do is just to go for the more modes. It appears right here and you just have to go for the pro mode. First of all, I can recommend you to click on this information icon where you can find description of every parameter. So for example, if you don't know what is going on with this exposure compensation, you can find small description right here. So let me show you how we can adjust the parameters. So first we can find the ISO level. With the slider you can adjust the ISO manually by tapping on the automatic button. You can of course do this automatically. Then next we can find shutter speed. As you can see, we can set the shutter speed even for 32 seconds. Next we can find exposure compensation. As you can see, that's the only parameter that we can only adjust manually. Next we can find manual focus range and the white balance just right here. When you go for the upper section, we can enable shutter delay between 3 or 10 seconds. We can turn on the histogram, activate the flashlight, or for example switch camera aspect ratio. And yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.